Okay, I was feeling a little religious feeling today, so I thought I'd just, oh look, Immaculate Heart of Mary Catholic Church. Huh. I've never been to a Catholic church for services. Wonder what else they've got in store. Maybe think about that for a minute. Oh, here's an All Nations, Seventh-day Adventist Church, an Episcopal Church, St. David's, Lutheran, Shepherd of the Desert. Oh, what do we have here? We've got a Mormon church, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And then we've got United Methodist Church. Whoops, here comes the First Assembly of God. And we've got the Church of the Nazarene. Then we've got First Baptist Church. Oh, that's way too much religious stuff for one day. I'm feeling kind of overwhelmed. I don't know what to do. Oh, look at this, South Navajo Drive. Maybe we could just go down to that Navajo Sweat Lodge and get closer to God.